Assalamu alaikum. You're watching Stories by Sundus Ali, and today I'm here with some very different topic. Have you ever seen this COR sign on different food items in the western part of the world, like North and South America, or in Germany, or somewhere else, or in the other part of the world? Well, no problem. If it's new to you, let me explain to you about this sign. Basically, Kashrut Council of Canada is known as COR. This is a kosher certification agency. Any food item labeled with the term COR is kosher certified. This word kosher or kashrut is a Jewish dietary law, a law which allows the prepared or consumed food to be taken according to the specific Jewish dietary rules. The super interesting fact for me is that Muslim preferences for halal or haram food are nearly similar to the Jewish preferences of consuming food. For example, certain animals' meat like pork, shellfish, or animals not slaughtered ritually, wine, rennet, alcohol, or animal fats present in dairy products are totally forbidden in both Judaism and Islam. Observant Jews will only eat meat of animals with split hooves like cow, goat, sheep, or poultry with kosher certified mention on them. Well, the difference is Muslims can only have hand-slaughtered meat that had slaughtered with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. COR is originally designed to satisfy the small group of Jews in the world, but it is also a helpful tool for Muslims as well. It is an easy way to find a halal, gelatin-free or vegan product if COR is mentioned on it. It is very important to practice halal and haram religiously and ethically. Even if you see a COR labeled on food item, don't skip to proofread the ingredients, just for safe side. The misconception of having haram food by saying Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim to make it halal, it is not an appropriate behavior. One should be very particular when it comes to the grocery, dine-outs or desserts, because huwa ahlul taqwa wa ahlul maghfirah. I hope this video is helpful for many. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.